What we have here is a Casablanca Victorian from 1993 in the antique brass finish. So this came from Marketplace, exactly how you see it. I did clean it up. It was actually surprisingly clean when I got it. Didn't really need much, and I ended up replacing one light bulb socket. See, that's a black light bulb socket in there, and the rest have these. So it's just that one was replaced because the wires deteriorated and just broke off when I tried to tighten it. Now the rest are probably in really bad shape, but I really don't have a whole lot of time right now. So I just replaced the one that broke. And the tag is on this side. So because it's from 1993, it is 3-speed. And we'll go ahead and start with the light. I really love this light kit. I think the light kit looks really nice on this fan. Start it up on low. Also, the finish is a little on the rough side. The motor is nice, but the blade arms are a little rough and the hangsher is a little rough. Got some pitting on the finish there. This fan was in the sunroom of a house, which I can only assume was an addition. Now, it really doesn't make sense is the guy was not renovating this place. It was like really old 1970s house, all original. He was not renovating, but he just replaced the fans with these ugly Lowe's fans, these Harbor Breezes that don't match a thing. So that really didn't make any sense, but I'm not complaining because these fans are now mine. And by these fans, I mean, there's this, and I got an antique brass Codep Stratosphere hugger. So he replaced both of them with Harbor Breezes that are brand new, of course, straight out of Lowe's. And this was listed just over a half hour away from me. So it's nice to have something that's actually somewhat close by for once. This uses an Emerson K55 motor, which does have a whine to it. And it shakes ever so slightly. Maybe if I turn the light off, you can see it better. I don't know. I'm gonna leave the light on. And yeah, that chain does hit that glass. It's also got this nice decorative piece here that just kind of hangs there. Really, really nice Victorian here. And I think the nicest part about it is this light kit. I just really like this light. And if you look closely on this blade here, see that little mark? Well, ever since, I guess, when this fan was installed, it's had a balancing clip on that one blade for many years. It's been on there so long, it made a permanent mark on that blade. It will not come off. So instead of balancing it properly, you use the clip to find out what blade you need to stick the weights on. But they never stuck the weights on, and they just left the clip on there all these years instead. So, yeah, that is all I have for this 1993 Casablanca Victorian.